So FHA is revising the 203K HUD consultant fee schedule effective November 4th of 2024. For the feasibility study, if a borrower requires that, the consultant may charge a fee of $375 to prepare that. So for the work write-up, the consultant fee schedule is increasing. For $1,000 to $50,000 in repairs, it'll be $1,000 for the payment to the consultant. $50,000 to $85,000, you're looking at $1,200 to the consultant. And between $85,000 and $140,000, it would be $1,400 to the consultant. Up to 1% of the repair cost or $2,000, whichever is lower for repairs over $140,000 will be the new fee schedule effective November 4th. The consultant may charge an additional $25 per unit, and then for his draw inspections where he comes out to help get the contractor paid, the consultant may charge up to $375 per draw fee. For the change order fee, the consultant may also charge $120 per change order request, and if there's any reason for a re-inspection, the consultant may charge up to $225. This is all derived from FHA guideline, and that fee schedule should be set and not altered by the consultant. They can also charge mileage, whatever the Internal Revenue Service postage for mileage. If they are 15 miles from their office location, they may also add mileage to your report. So those are some changes coming on November 4th. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.